Dad failed the driving test.
The family had one rule for Mango.
Do not tell anyone our secrets. Mango did not understand this rule.
I did not. That is not... Mango sometimes says things that are not...
Dad cried? In the car? Mango told everyone. Mango told everyone.
Mango came to the family 3 years ago. He was very small. He learned very fast. He learned every word in the house. Every single word.
Mango listened to everything. Great, see you then. He never forgot anything.
No way!
Where did I put them? He just had no sense of timing.
Mango is the best. He knows everything about this family. He knows too much. Way too much.
Good bird. Good. Stay there. Do not speak.
Grandma is coming to visit this weekend. She arrives on Saturday morning.
This Saturday? With Mango here? Grandma plus Mango? This will be the best week.
Mango cannot tell Grandma any of it. The driving test, the chocolate, none of it.
Mom hides chocolate, top shelf.
That is fine, Mango. Thank you, Mango. How is everyone? Tell me everything. I want to hear all the news.
Dad failed the driving test. The examiner was unfair.
Very unfair. 3 times? The examiner was unfair 3 times?
The examiner was, the conditions were, Mango is confused.
Wah!
He cried.
Wah!
I am sorry. I am completely sorry.
Grandma! He really cried. Mango does Dad's voice. Nice, Mango. Look, Cracker.
Tom from school. She wrote his name many times.
Tom! Tom! Tom is very nice. Lily said so. Very nice. Tom! Lily likes Tom. Mango told Grandma.
Tom! How lovely. Tell me about Tom.
I am never leaving my room again. Ever.
Tom has nice hair. Lily said so. Very nice hair.
Who wants tea? I will make tea. Let us all have some lovely tea and...
Mom hides chocolate.
Secret chocolate? What kind? Dark chocolate. 70%. 70%. A woman needs her own chocolate.
Big bar.
You have a secret chocolate and you never told me? We have been married for 15 years.
You failed the driving test 3 times and never told me. We are even. This is the best visit I have ever...
Ha! Everyone has secrets. This is so funny. Why is Mango looking at me like that? Ben broke the vase.
The blue vase, Mom's favorite.
Glue! He used glue.
Benjamin. When did you break my vase?
3 weeks ago. The ball. It was an accident.
It looks fine. He said sorry to the vase.
Sorry? He said sorry to the vase? Oh dear.
The vase could not hear me, but I still felt bad. You apologized to a vase.
To a vase.
Good bird. Good, Mango.
Good bird. Wow.
I have been visiting this family for many years. This is my favorite visit.
Because of Mango?
Because of all of you. Mango just helped.
You have caused a lot of trouble today.
A lot of trouble. A lot. Today.
Cracker? Yes. Fine. Have a cracker.
After all the secrets were told, the family had tea with Grandma and the parrot who told everything. It was actually nice.
You are a very good bird, Mango. You just say everything that everyone is thinking, but not saying.
Good bird. Good Mango. Mango, seriously, you know you cannot keep doing this. You cannot just tell everyone everything. Tom has nice hair. Very nice. He does have nice hair, but that is not the point. Okay, Mango, repeat after me. Everyone in this family is perfect. Everyone in this family is perfect! You added the vase part yourself.
Yes, I have the papers with me. The surprise is ready. They do not know yet. Not one of them.
Mango heard everything. He is sitting on my head.
He is actually sitting on my head.
You did not see that.
Blue box, chocolate.
You already told everyone yesterday.
Mango, off the diary. Off the diary. Now, the diary. Please. Tom has nice... Not today, Mango. Not today.
Okay, Mango. New words. Repeat after me.
This family is wonderful. Dad failed the test 3 times.
No, Mango. Without the second part.
You are doing it wrong. Mango does not learn from instructions. He learns from what he hears. This family loves each other.
This family loves each other very much. That one was good, Mango. What did you find? Why do you want a button? Shiny! Mine! You know, you are actually kind of good company.
Tom has nice hair. Sorry.
Did you just say sorry? Did you actually say sorry?
Sorry, Lily. Good, Mango.
Sorry. Okay, Mango. Truce.
Truce. Tom has nice...
We were so close, Mango. So close.
The second dinner was different from the first. All the secrets were already out, so everyone could just be themselves.
I failed the driving test 3 times next month.
That is very brave, Dad.
Thank you, Ben. Mango already told everyone anyway, so...
4th time! Good!
I have been hiding this chocolate for 6 months. Tonight, everyone can have some. Because there are no more secrets. Finally. I always knew about the chocolate, by the way. What?
Tom is a boy at school. He is nice.
He does have nice hair. That is all I am saying.
Thank you for telling me yourself, Lily. Tom, nice hair. Mom, 3 weeks ago I broke the blue vase with the ball. I glued it back. I also said sorry to it. That part I stand by.
It needed to tell me yourself.
Grandma, does Mango know something about you?
About me? I have no secrets. I am 70 years old. I have told everyone everything.
He is not saying anything. He always says everything.
Good bird, Mango. Good bird.
Very good, Mango. Grandma, what is in that envelope?
Something important until after breakfast to tell you.
The surprise! They do not know yet. Not one of them. The surprise is ready.
They do not know yet. Not one of them. The house. The beach house. Thank you, Mango. I was going to build up to this. I bought a small beach house. For the family. All of us. Every summer.
Beach house! Beach! Surprise! Not one of them! A beach house! We have a beach house! Mango told us we have a beach house. Grandma.
This is amazing. You did not need to do this.
I am not here forever. And I want to know that you all have somewhere to go to every summer. Without to go together.
Without fail. A place where you...
The 4th time.
I know you will. I already know the instructor. I put in a word.
You what?
I know everyone. I have been alive for 70 years.
Grandma knows everyone. She is more powerful than Mango.
Good, Grandma.
Very good.
You are a very good bird, Mango.
Good, Grandma. I think Mango is gonna miss Grandma. I think Mango is gonna...
After Grandma left, the family sat in the living room. The secrets were all out. Nothing to hide. It was actually quite relaxing.
I drew the beach house. Mango is in the front. He is the biggest. Mango Beach! You made Mango bigger than the house, Ben. He deserved it. He found out about the beach house first.
Mango, seriously, you cannot keep telling everyone our secrets.
Dad failed the test.
3 times. Yes, you made that very clear.
This family loves each other.
Yes, good bird.
Mango knew every secret in the house. He knew about the beach house. And he knew one more thing. He repeated it every chance he got.
This family loves each other very much.
He was right. He was always right about that one. What is your family's funniest secret? We want to read every one.